Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper, and welcome to episode 2 of my new playlist here in the channel I call Bench Mess. My first project this afternoon was taking the Midland Micro Mobile radio apart and its microphone so I could identify each of the pins in the microphone jack, and the goal for next weekend at the retreat location is to make a video showing how you can use Argent Data's ADS SR1 simplex repeater with the Midland Micro Mobile. I still have to make the cable, but now I know what the pins are in the microphone jack. Unfortunately, receive audio is not in the microphone jack, so I'll have to make a second cable that comes around to the external speaker jack. So that's one of the videos I plan to make for you guys next weekend once I get this cable made for this GMRS radio here. The other project I worked on was making the final cables to interface this data radio to Cantronics KPC3 Plus packet modem or terminal node controller. I'm going to put this in my truck and show you how I can send and receive digital messages from the truck using packet radio and leave those messages on a packet bulletin board system. And that leads into project number 3 I worked on today. I made the final connections and configuration for Cantronics Cam XL terminal node controller here that's connected to the ID880H D-Star mobile radio. That will be going out to the retreat this weekend, and that will serve as our bulletin board system mailbox. I'll have this modem and this radio up at the retreat location on the mountain. We'll head off the mountain in the truck with the laptop computer, and I'll show you how you can send messages up to this modem from this setup here and leave messages on there just like an old-fashioned computer bulletin board system. And how this applies to prepping is how would we communicate digitally if the internet went down? Well, back when packet radio was very prevalent in the United States, mid-80s, early 90s, these full-feature terminal node controllers all had mailboxes built into them, little tiny post offices. So you could actually connect to any other station and leave a message on there, and there's a little light in the front that says mail. This one here is yellow, and up here you have it as well, another light there that says mail. So you could come home and actually find the mail light lit, log into your system, and you'd have messages that were left by other guys running packet radio. So that's what I have planned for video making next weekend at the retreat location. This is episode 2 of Bench Mess, my 3 projects I've been working on, and I got the bench pretty messy today. Of course, I had to pause and run down to ham radio outlet in Woodbridge because I ran out of Anderson power pole connectors, so that cut into my project time today. But we got everything set up, and I'm going to take this out to the truck now and test it and make sure it works. And if you see it next weekend at the retreat location, that means the test went well. And if you don't see it at the retreat location next weekend, that means I ran into a problem. But at least we'll have some material to make videos with. I think you're going to really like this simplex repeater idea, hooking it up to the GMRS radio here, the Midland Micro Mobile. This is a really cool radio. You should check them out. I'll put a link down below. It is the only approved radio on the market right now for GMRS only operations, and it gives you an external antenna port here so you can put a mag mount on the roof of your car or have a base station antenna. This is a really cool radio, and I've been very happy with it. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with episode 2 of the new playlist here on the channel, Bench Mess. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, a little addendum for this video. We're out here in the truck and everything is working correctly. I had a little problem with the base station radio up there. Wasn't making connections. I swapped that out with another mobile radio. And now we're actually connecting into the packet bulletin board mailbox on the Cam XL radio up in the shack. I'll go ahead and show you that. I'll hit the enter key. And there we have it. These are the commands I can send. But that's going to be the subject of this weekend's video out at the retreat location. So just like a packet command here, I'm going to enter B for buy and wrap this video up. We'll see you this weekend at the retreat location. Thanks for watching.